This video is brought to you by One Agency Far North. Aptly named Twin Streams, this 15-hectare rural wonderland is located in one of the Far North's most desired locations, the historic seaside village of Totara North on the shores of Whangaroa Harbour. 38 acres of rolling green hills with fence boundaries and 2 fenced paddocks, native bush, running freshwater streams and a choice of elevated house sites. As you enter the property, there is a native wetlands area, and the current owners have etched out a road leading to upper slopes with stunning views across Whangaroa Harbour. Choose your ideal building site from one of the many options on different levels with varying rural and harbour views. This coastal, rural property features stunning stands of native trees, including totara and pururi, and 2 running streams that meander through the bush. If you are looking for a private, rural property with sea views, this property has it all. Twin Streams is truly a Totara North treasure and just minutes to the local jetty and boat ramp. Centrally located in the far north with a short drive to Kaio, Maunganui, Whangaroa Harbour, Taupo Bay and just 37 minutes to Kerikeri in the Bay of Islands. To view, contact me, Leonie, One Agency Far North.